Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, we are already on the 3rd week of quarantine period. So, kamusta naman kayo? Okay pa ba kayo? Kaya nyo pa ba? Bored na ba kayo? Kasi ako, to be honest, personally, medyo bored na ako. Parang yung extrovert kong pagkatao, gusto na kumawala sa aking katawan at party, gumala, ganon. Pero, huwag na tayo magreklamo. Doon na lang tayo sa safe tayo. And of course, kapag naman nasa office tayo, gusto natin nasa bahay tayo. Tapos kapag naman nasa bahay tayo, gusto natin nasa office tayo. So, parang medyo magulo no? Talagang gusto ko. Anyways. So, dahil nga sobrang bored na yung mga tao ngayon, kung ano-anong challenge na yung mga ginagawa nila. Like, TikTok challenge, na pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko. Kasi feeling ko hindi ako para dun. Tapos, ito, napansin ko sa mga travel groups, they reposted or re-uploaded their travel photos, which is the idea of this vlog. In this video, I'm going to share to you guys our HKN Macau tour last June 2019. So disclaimer lang, it is not really a vlog, but I'm going to do my best to give you some additional information in HKN Macau. Before anything else guys, gusto ko munang i-flex ang aking intro na bagong-bago, fresh na fresh. Ayun. Fresh siya kasi, madami nagsasabi sa akin na lagyan ko naman daw ng effort yung intro ko. So, ang guess ko, may effort naman yun. Hindi nyo lang alam ang paghihirap ko nung ginawa ko yung first intro ko, guys. Pero, anyways, thank you so much for all those comments kasi if there are for the improvement of my vlog, then why not? So yun na nga, inayos ko yung intro ko. So medyo marunong na tayo mag-edit, medyo gumagalaw-galaw na yung intro, medyo colorful na at may mukha ko na siya. So if you still have a lot of comments like that, please don't hesitate to give me a comment. I really appreciate it, guys. Before we get started, if you're still new to my channel or kung matagal ka na nasa channel ko, nakikita mo ako at kilala mo ako pero hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, it's your chance, guys. Please subscribe and please click notification bell so that you will always get updated whenever I uploaded a new video. So, ito na nga guys. Let's go back in time again and let's go to HKN Macau. See you there! HK, and the first thing that we need to do is to get our octopus card, which is look like this. Sorry. Ayan. This is what octopus card looks like. So, kinuha namin to sa Klook for about 500 to 600. I don't know the exact price, pero nasa ganong range siguro. So, this tiny card is a very helpful card na makukuha nyo sa airport, sa bus station. Pero kami sa airport namin siya nakuha. I really like this card kasi it is very efficient. It is very hassle-free na kung saan ito'y nagpadali ng aming buhay sa commuting and also sa pagbili ng kung ano-ano sa HK because this card, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa MTR and sa mga convenience store and it is also reloadable. And also, speaking of MTR, I love HK MTR. It was efficient, it was clean, it was fast, it was very hassle-free. It makes our commuting very easy and fast. So I know you're gonna love also the MTR of HK. the things that Hong Kong represent is their street food. So I tried their street foods and they were so yummy and delicious. Ano ba nagkaiba? Paras lang yan ba? Pero worth the price naman siya. So natry ko yung kanilang egg waffle. Egg waffle ba yun? Yung waffle kanina. And then also their parang fish ball or squid ball. Pero mas masarap. Your sauce is so yummy yung sauce, guys. So, bumalik kami sa hotel and we're going to sleep and let's continue to our second day. So, our second day is really full of activities. So, ito sobrang puno yung itinerary namin. So, our first stop is Nong Ping 360. So, one of my favorite part ng aming HK tour, bukod sa Disneyland, which is my dream, is Nong Ping 360. It's like you're on a cable car and you can see everything down there like you're flying. So it's really fun. You need to try Nong Ping 360. One of the attractions din na pinuntahan namin is Sky 100. So, I really like the place din kasi it's like a 100-story building. And pagkadating mo sa taas, you will going to see like the city of Hong Kong. Sobrang funny kasi 7 p.m. yung sunset nila. Di ba sa atin, madilim na yun. So, yun. Sobrang amazing things. You're gonna learn a lot of things nila when you're traveling. Kaya, sobrang worth it din. Kakamiss. we are now on our third day of going back in time on June 2019, which is we're going to Macau. So, one thing that we learned when we go to Macau is that you really need to bring an umbrella, whether you're going to use it because it is very sunny or you're going to use it because it will rain. And what happened to us, we didn't bring an umbrella, so it rains and it ruined everything. We cannot go to St. Paul, the ruins, because it ruins everything. That's a joke. So, one beautiful thing about Macau is that yung ferry. It's my first time to ride a ferry, kaya sobrang memorable siya for me. And then, we also ride free buses papunta sa mga hotel. So, yun yung kanilang way of getting clients siguro, yung mga free buses. So, napunta namin sa Macau is more on hotel lang. Hindi kami nakapunta dun sa main attraction, which is the St. Paul the Ruin, kasi nga umulan. So, kailangan namin bumalik. And, hindi lang pala yun yung problema. Merong oras yung aming ferry ticket na kapag hindi namin nahabol yun, bibili kami ng bago, which is 300 HKD, and that was so mahal na. So, wala kami nagawa. We need to go back so that mahabol namin yung ferry and hindi kami maiwan. So, that is all on our third day for Macau. It's very great. Kumain din kami doon and it's yummy and so fun. Exciting one. Akala namin hindi kami matutuloy sa Disneyland. Seriously, akala namin hindi talaga kami matutuloy sa Disneyland kasi umuulan. So, inisip namin na baka naman pwedeng i-reschedule yung aming booking. Pero, hindi na rin namin ginawa kasi nakakatakot siya, guys. Baka pag pupunta kami kinabukasan, hindi kami papasukin kasi nakabook kami ng pang-4th day namin. So, medyo tumigil naman yung ulan and pagdating namin ng Disneyland, ayun na nga, maaraw. Maaraw pa, maliwanag pa ang sikat ng araw. Nakarating siguro kami doon, mga 12 na already. So, Disneyland is a dream come true. And ito, may experience din kami doon. So, one thing that I'm going to share with you about Disneyland is to get their map kung saan nakalagay yung kanilang mga schedule kasi hindi namin ginawa. So, hindi namin naabutan yung mga parade. Ang alam lang namin na parade is yung pandulo na, which is yung lights, yung gabi na. Yung gabi ng parade. So, hindi namin nakita yung mga favorite ko like Cinderella. Anyways, yung mga rides sa Disneyland medyo pambata siya and ang haba ng pila kaya hindi rin kami masyadong pumila. So, picture-picture lang. Pero, it's like the happiest day of my life because it's Disneyland. I dreamed Disneyland ever since I was 7 years old. And nagawa ko lang siya when I was 23. So, I'm still thankful and grateful and happiest. I'm like the happiest woman in the world because of Disneyland, guys. known for their chocolates. So, yun. Medyo madami kami nabili at nagamit namin ng aming 40 kilogram additional baggage pa uwi. Sobrang fun mamili. Siguro naka 2,000 pesos ako. Pero, amazing na yung mga chocolates. Ang dami na. Nakapagpasalubong na ako sa lahat ng aking mga kasamahan, sa aking pamilya, at syempre sa aking sarili na naman. Kasi ako naman yung kakain noon. So, on our 5th day, pumunta lang kami ng ladies market so that we can buy stuff and other souvenirs. So, when we go to the ladies market, one thing that we learn is that huwag kang masyadong hurt if ever yung mga tindero doon isigawan ka. Maybe because it's just their normal thing na malakas sila magsalita. So, kung medyo malambot ang yung puso, iiyak ka. Pero, medyo sanay naman kami sa ganun. So, hindi naman kami naiiyak. Pero yun nga, if ever na masigawan ka nila, don't take it personally. It's just a normal thing. And, medyo dapat magaling kang makipagtawaran. Kasi medyo mahal yung mga prices. Unlike sa Divisoria natin, mura siya dito. So, hindi ko rin masasabi na mura dun sa ladies market. Kasi, hindi naman ako nakamura. So, yun lang. Welcome back, Manila. Bumalik na kami ng Manila. And it was so amazing. One thing that I wanted to do again is to go back in HK and do a proper vlogging. Kasi dream ko yun. Makapag-travel vlog talaga ako. So, I love HK. I love Macau. Sobrang bitin. Pero sobrang grateful pa din. Ayun guys. So, if I didn't say anything and experiences na na-experience nyo and hindi ko nasabi, maybe nakalimutan ko or maybe hindi ko na-experience, please leave a comment down below so that I can read it, I can answer it, and we can talk about it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell down below so that you will going to be updated for all the videos that I'm going to upload in the next couple of weeks. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! See you on my next vlog.